To get your hip flexor, you're gonna have your front leg at 90 degrees and your back leg at 90 degrees. Sometimes if you're really tight, it can cause pain in your knee, so then in which case have your toe relaxed. So I'm gonna exaggerate it here, so I'm arching, although we don't want you to really arch. And then we're gonna squeeze our abs in and tighten our butt so that my pelvis tilts. And that gives me a stretch right in here and a little bit into my quad. From the front view, and this you may wanna do in front of a mirror. A lot of times people are often like this. So we want to make sure that your hips stay level. Another variation, you bring your knee in line with your ankle. I don't want this. Both hands are on the inside of the front foot. Back leg is out and the knee can relax on the floor. And again, we're going to draw on the abs, tighten the butt. To get your hip flexor standing, what you're going to do is you're going to stand, staggered stance. The back foot, the back heel is off the floor. The front leg is fully planted on the floor. And from here, we're going to bend the front knee just a little bit. And just like we did on the kneeling one, we're going to draw on the abs, tighten the butt. And that is definitely going to bring that right into that hip flexor there. If you're not feeling it, then bring that leg back further. Or sometimes people will bend this knee and that takes away from it as well. So make sure that back leg is straight and the slight bend in the front leg. That's how you get your hip flexor.